We're back with some hot new products that you need in your home. Massaging your head can give you fuller and longer hair, so why not give this product a try? There's nothing better than having your privacy while you sleep. Say goodbye to clogged drains. This is the perfect product for small apartments. Fully functional and takes no space. Perfect! Making life easier day by day with these products. Giving your home a private and elegant look. Clean every inch of your car with this product. A clean and organized home is a happy home. Keeping your drains clog-free with this one. Keep your clothes dry as you shower. Upgrade your iron with this one, easier to use and it's the perfect size. Never lose a sock again. This product is a lifesaver. Don't let your car get messy ever again. A clean soap and sink all because of this product. Life is better with these products. Don't you agree?